Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you another amazing arrangement by Rose Forever New York. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received another arrangement by Rose Forever New York. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your roses to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys did see my follow-up video that I did last month for you guys, I showed you how one of my arrangements is 2+ years old and still going strong. They say on their website that they guarantee these will last up to 1 year, and I wasn't sure like how much farther after that year that they would go. So I've been doing updates like every 6 months to show you guys, to tell you guys how they're doing, and I cannot believe, what is it? One of them is almost 2.5 years old right now, and it is still looking absolutely amazing. But after that video, they actually reached out to me and they said they had a new style and they wanted to know if I wanted to review it for you guys. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is amazing. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to gift this to my mother. I try to buy her flowers every now and then, or I try to get like plants because flowers die. I know that. I used to be in the floral industry. I used to own a flower shop when I was younger. So I know how flowers just do not last. So sometimes I'll even send her just like some crumble cookies, just something just to be like, you know, I want you to know I'm thinking of you, something, a little treat, something for you. Well, I try not to do flowers that much because again, I know they always die, but with me already having 3 arrangements and I know they're not going to go anywhere anytime soon, I'm proven fact because one's 2.5 years old. So I definitely wanted to give this type of an amazing thing to my mom. She was around when I was doing my flower shop. She actually would come and help me. She was amazing during it. She is very good at floral things as well. That's probably where I get some of this from. But I am super excited that they sent this to me because now I can send this to her. And then whenever I go and visit her, I will record, you know, how it's doing so I can still give you guys updates because I will still have access to it from another state. But I just thought that that was so neat that they have that new arrangement and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I thought, you know what, with Christmas coming up, gift giving coming up, I know a lot of people love flowers, but they die super quick. So now you can have something that you can either get for yourself as a gift idea or to tell somebody to give for you, because then they're not going to die. They're gonna look beautiful for many years. I know at least 2.5 for one of my sets out there. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what this new style is all about. This is how it was delivered. Yes, fresh flowers are in here. No, they do not need to breathe. No, you do not need to do anything to them. No, you do not need to water them. They just sit the way that they are, and that's how they are, and that's how they will look for years. At least 1 year is what they guarantee, but I know it's longer. So let's go ahead and get this one out of its box. I'm so excited to see it in person. They're always so beautiful online, but when you actually get them in your own hands, it's like, oh my goodness. So let's see here. Oh, we have another little flap here. Yep. Look! And I did traditional red. My mom's bedroom is basically all black and white, and I think that color of red is going to look amazing. Plus the container that it's in is white. It's white. That's another new thing. So not only do they have a round arrangement, it's in a white container as well. So let me, I guess, do I pull this one out? So I just opened up the flap and that's how it is. It's very well protected, you guys. Is this taped in here? Yep. Okay, so let me take one more side down over here. There we go. Now I can get you out. I have to save this though because I'm going to put it right back in here and ship it to her. I'm so excited for her to get these. So that's why I was like, you know what? That would be amazing for me to show you not only a new arrangement, but to kind of remind you of this company in case you want to get this for yourself or, like I said, ask for it for yourself for Christmas, because then you can have roses all year long and for the following year and maybe even longer than that. So let me remove all of this stuff around here so we can see how it looks. Okay, there we go. So I really, really like, let me see if I turn my lights down so that you can see a little bit better. So I really, really like how it did have a little bit of bleed right here, like probably from the color, which is okay. I'm sure my mom is not even going to mind. I wouldn't mind if I got this myself, but that is what that is right there, is where the color bled from the roses. But it was properly covered. Everything you saw, it was very, very well protected. And then they put the little, like the lid of the hat box underneath here. So it says Rose Forever on it, and then it's all white throughout. But look at how beautiful these roses are. And just, I mean, look at how cute that design is. How it's just all, where like the other ones are all like flat squared boxes. You can't see them out. They don't like protrude outside of the container like this one does. So I thought that was super, super unique and so, so pretty, that I definitely wanted like to show you guys this style. And my mom is going to absolutely love these sitting in her bedroom. So I'm so thankful that they did send these to me. And I will definitely keep you guys updated on how these do. I can always ask my mom at any given time. And when I go visit her, I'll take photos and take videos to show you guys, keep you updated as I do on my updates as well. So I will still be updating you with these as well. But look at how pretty. I definitely haven't had this color. I've done lavender, yellow, and white. Now here is a bright, brilliant red. I don't smell anything. I know some people had asked, like, do they smell like roses? I don't smell roses. At like the first day or two, you can kind of get like a little bit of like a glue type scent, but that completely goes away. It doesn't ruin anything. You don't smell it when you walk by. It's nothing strong. You literally have to stick your whole nose up in there to get that little slight smell. And again, it does go away, because all my other ones, you don't smell anything whatsoever after like a few days of them just being out like this in the open. So there's that. Now I got to do my test. I do my test every time so you guys can hear how fresh these sound when you break apart the petal. And I do that on my checkups with you guys. And even my 2.5-year-old still sounded like it was a brand new fresh petal. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you here. Let me put it up higher so you can see that I'm pulling it out of here and I'm not like bringing in a real petal to show you. It's just I don't know where to take it from. All right, I'm just going to take it from up here, right in the very top. Tracy. Yep. Okay, so if you heard, I heard it come out, it popped, and then watch. Ready? That is brand new, like a fresh petal. Like you just took a fresh rose off of your rose bush, and that's what that sounds like. So I don't know how they do it. That's their secret, but I'm so glad that they do, because now you can have roses that are not going to die after a couple days, a couple weeks, if you're lucky. You know, these are going to last at least 1 year. I know longer. I'm a proven fact, but at least 1 entire year, which is amazing, because nothing else will last that long whatsoever. So if you would like to check out their arrangements, they have all different colors. They have several different shades of like pink. There's 2 different colors of purple. There's the yellow, there's the white, there's the red. They even have black, gray, orange, silver. They literally have almost every single color that you can imagine on their website. You can check out all the different styles, the different sizes, all of that down below, and you can use my code SheCrafty25 to get $25 off of your first arrangement. They even have some little mini ones. I think they're like a set of 3. If they still have those available, but they have small sizes, larger sizes. They have some in the plastic containers like I got, where you even have the pull-out drawer if you wanted to utilize that like in your vanity area, so you can use the bottom drawer for like makeup, that kind of thing. There's so many different ones, and they are going to last. They're going to last. You're not going to waste your money on flowers when you order from Rose Forever New York. So again, SheCrafty25 will save you $25 off. You can find them down below and see all of their amazing arrangements. You can check out my past videos if you would like to see my updates, to see how they're doing after several years. You can definitely go check those out as well. But comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the flowers? This one, my other ones, have you seen anything like that that lasts that long? Because I haven't. I'm super, super impressed. And I'm so glad they got a hold of me originally, because if I ever send flowers to anybody, this is the company that I'm going to use, because I know for a fact they are going to last. I'm not going to be wasting money through this company. So great ideas to get for yourself, for another, or to ask for somebody else to get it for you, so you can have amazing roses sitting there and looking beautiful for a very long time. But again, that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the company? Do you have your eye on one of them? Do you want to ask somebody to get it for you for Christmas? Let me know. All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.